welcome to another video. Today we got another unboxing video for y'all, and we got the testing track.
And this is our marker.
The ultimate testing track, and that is a marker. So I'm on my throne of lies. I'm just kidding. So
Alright,
we got the track here.
Let's go unbox one at a time.
Unbox all of these cars, and we're going to racing those cars. Those are Carter's cars.
Yeah.
So
Right.
First up, we got this. We ain't going to be using it. We're just going to be pushing it, going through the U-turn, and then going through the
Kicker loop.
and then going through the curve, going through the kicker curve, then through another curve, and then through the booster, through this spiral. You've probably seen this thing before in the Wild Beast trap, to the white stopper. And our marker today is going to be fast forward drive from the HW Checkmates. All right, let's get started. All right, first up we got Fast Fish. Might come out easily. Came out easily. All right, it's our first car. All right, let's do this in 3. Make sure everything's set. Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, slid off. Can I see?
All right, marker. Get. Second try. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on. Oh, a little bit further. We're going to 3 tries.
Yep, 3 tries.
Got 9 cars to do. Come on, he can make it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that don't count.
Yeah, that don't count. My bad. 3, 2, 1.
That don't count.
That don't count. If it happens like that, it's because we have to push it because we didn't have any other boosters to use.
Oh,
That counted. That counted.
Yep, that counted.
That
So,
should have happened. That should
well,
have been good.
He did pretty good for our first car.
Yeah.
Not too
Here, let's
shabby.
do one at a time. So then, since you
Yeah.
did yours, let's do mine now.
All right, so first up we got
That's
this.
I did read that one, and it
we
said
got
good best for
Hot
track.
Wheels.
It
We got
said
Hot Wheels.
yeah. It said best for track.
All right, so
3.
it don't look like one, but it might be 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Slid off.
That's gonna hurt.
Ouch. 3,
2, 1.
second try. That don't count.
That don't count. Oh,
I slid off again.
this car is actually not good for curves.
Yeah.
3,
It's a high profile.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that don't count. That don't count either.
Come on, 3, 2, 1.
Come on.
Do you want me to do it?
No. What is happening to this? Might be too high profile.
All right, Jane, let me do this.
No, you ain't gonna do it well.
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm getting tired of that.
Alright, I'm done.
I'm done. Let me do it.
You ain't probably gonna do it. Probably ain't gonna do it well.
Hey, at least I'm doing better.
I told you
it's hard, right? It is. Like, we're trying to make it.
I told you it's hard.
Oh my gosh, this car's not made for
Oh, I know why.
Probably that.
There we go. Oh! Oh, that hurt. That hurt.
That hurt.
Alright, now you get the camera.
Man.
Now it's time for another unboxing. Next we got Dragon Tail. This is
Oh, by the way, we're gonna do Jaden's cars versus my cars. And by the way, so Jaden earned 1 point. If he makes it all the way to the end, he gets 2 points.
and comment down below which who you think's gonna win, Jaden or Carter.
And since he only has 4 cars, he's gonna be taking the he's gonna be having
fast forward drive or something from there.
yeah. And he's just
That's
gonna
our
he's just
marker.
gonna stick in there without looking and pull it out.
You might be testing out that too.
Maybe.
Next up we got Dragon Tail. This is another car. This is another paint job. I don't know where my other Dragon Tails are at.
I got you.
Oh, so there's our other Dragon Tails. Put this in our other collection. So now we got 3 Dragon Tails. This one's, I like that green, and that swings.
Yeah.
All right.
But you can't race. You're not in this.
All right. 3,
2,
2, 1. 4.
Come on, make it.
Oh.
Oh man.
All right.
marker. Here you go.
First try. Not too bad.
All right.
3,
2, 1, go.
Don't
Don't count. 3, 2, 1. Come on, make it.
Oh.
No, a little bit further. He can make this.
3, 2, 1, go. A lot of speed. Oh,
Not enough.
no, didn't make it. All right, let's see if your other car can beat this. We've got, kind of looks like Power Rage. This is Metal Merchants. I think that's what his name is.
3, 2. Oh wait, come on. You didn't set it.
Whoops.
3,
This guy
2,
won't do good. Not Luke.
3, 2, 1.
This kind of sounds. This kind of feels like McDonald's.
3.
Oh.
Oh, a little bit further. Oh, I already won. We already won.
All right, you got 1 point already. Let's see if he can go further.
Come on, go to the end. Oh, we didn't reset. Come on, he can make it. We already won. Let's see if he can get 2 points. And we'll be in the lead. 3, 2, 1. Come on.
If he beats that fast fish, it don't matter.
All right, let's go. Oh, that was third try, wasn't it?
No, that's not.
Okay. 3, 2. Wow. But I won.
So you got 1 point. Next up, we got wait, what was that one from? This was from Street Beats.
And this one says
That was
it's
from Street Beats. This is Speed Blur. We got Track Ripper. Hopefully he's a Track Ripper. Hopefully he can make it to the finish. And then if he doesn't make it, it's all up to Snoopy. Snoopy's pretty high. I don't think he can make it in that.
yeah.
Alright, Track Ripper. Up close. Very, very beautiful. I like him. He does a good speed blur. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I forgot to show y'all the special feature this guy has. See that? Wow. Wow. Oh, that goes up really high. See that? Boom. Boom. That goes up really, really high. Let's do high up for Lucky. 3, 2, 1. I don't count.
3. Did you not set it even when you had to look at it? 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. I don't count.
Oh, I
Ooh,
ripped.
too much speed.
That was second try.
No, that was first try.
No, remember he didn't make it.
Yeah, that was second try. 3, 2, 1. I don't count.
Oh, but he went past the
Does
loop.
that count?
Yeah, that counts.
No, that don't.
Yeah.
You went upside down.
Doesn't matter. He still went past it.
No, that don't count.
All right.
I don't think that counts. Guys, comment down below if you think that counts. And like and subscribe down below. 3, 2. That don't count.
3, 2, 1.
Come on!
Do we just want to count that?
Stop playing around. We don't have it all day.
3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Oh,
Oh, he couldn't. No, that was third try.
Yeah, I know.
So that means, all right, here, I'm going to decide which one I want to go. I want to go
Nope.
with it.
Sam
No,
next.
I want him.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Already won.
Yep. So that means 2 points to Carter.
2 to 1.
2 to 1.
A little bit further. I want to go past Fishrum or whatever his name is.
Fast fish.
Fast Fish, yes. 3, 2. Oh, Carter wins.
Okay, 2 to 1. Alright, next up we got Snoopy. This is my final hope. I want him. No, this ain't my final hope. I still can pick a car from here.
Oh yeah. 1, 2.
Come on, Snoopy, don't let me down. Oh, that I should keep him in this box because there's a plastic thing in there.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm keeping this box.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. Get this plastic out of the way. Alrighty. Alright, put that up there. Snoopy! Come on, Snoopy. Please don't let me down.
Alright. 3.
Please, Snoopy, don't let me down. I'm a big fan of Charlie Brown. Alright. 3. Uh-oh. I can't grip him that well. 3, 2, 1. I can't grip him that well. I might need a launcher for this one. No, he hops too. Uh-oh, this ain't good. This ain't about to be good. Oh.
Should we just have a replacement for him?
No, let's just put him like that.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, let's just have a replacement for him.
No.
Okay. Oh!
Oh, he is fast! That man is fast!
No, he was right here when he slid off.
No?
Yeah, because he went
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
That man is so fast!
Well,
Man, Snoopy!
I say truck, because I know I'm already going to beat Snoopy.
No.
Okay, well, I'm still already going to beat him.
No, you ain't.
3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh! This guy can't fit. Oh! Beat that, sucker!
No,
You said
that
you
doesn't count. You have
Yes,
to go.
it does!
No, you have to go past the
That
loop.
counts! That counts!
You have to go past
That
the loop.
counts!
No, it doesn't. You have to go past the loop.
That counts! Yes, it does, because you can't get past the loop. It's too big, see?
Yeah.
that?
So what am I supposed to do?
See that?
All right. Well,
do
then we have to
nothing.
start him right here.
No,
Well, then then we gotta take something off because that's cheating. Then.
no, they ain't.
Yeah, because that's not fair. Then what
No.
am I supposed to do?
That's how you make it. So that means I get a point. So that means I have 2 points. So it's 2-2.
Well, now you gotta use the marker. No, it's marker.
No. I gotta use somebody from here.
Nope, you can't choose. You have to close your eyes and just draw one out.
Right. Look at that! Woohoo! This guy might make it to the end.
All right, let's see. No one has.
3, 2, 1. Come on! No! First try, not that. Well, he did pretty good. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna lie.
You did pretty good. Not gonna lie.
3, 2. This is HW Warp Speeder from the loop from my track stars.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on! Hit it! Hit it! Oh.
I beat that.
No,
Trust
you
me.
won't.
Okay.
Well,
Third and final.
If that does, then that thing's truck power. 3, 2, 1.
He ain't gonna get past.
One. No! Right there. Right there.
No, he was more like right here. Yeah.
Like right there.
Yeah, like right there. That's it.
Like there.
Yeah.
Alright. Last but not least. Well, maybe least. No, he ain't least. That guy's least. We got the truck. This might be a Ford truck. We got, this ain't Hot Wheels. This ain't. It ain't Hot Wheels. It is Metal Machines. Well, whatever. It can still fit in the Hot Wheels.
3, 2, 1.
We got the Ford truck.
Oh. Oh, that's the only reason it got hooked right there.
Yeah, because
Oh,
of the little nub.
dude, if you next time if he doesn't get that nub, you're doomed. Like that went fast. He's a good truck power.
Truck
3.
power.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Ooh, third and final try. Carter, come on. This decides it all.
If you lose this, I win.
Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Make it. No!
And guys, if you comment down below Jaden, then that means you win. So,
At least he was pretty good. He was my
Yeah.
he's my closest one.
yeah.
Let's see if this would have happened. Oh, that's hard. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a hard piece right there.
You need a lot of stamina to do that.
Let's see if this guy can make it, because this guy's a track star.
You did pretty good.
Let's see if I can push him. Well, Yeah.
Yeah.
See
Alright.
how the fastest of this guy.
Well, we'll see you guys later. Thank you
I
for
was
doing.
legit nuts.
Well, thank you for doing this. We'll hope you guys see us soon. We'll see you.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.
This guy's a wasp.